Hello YouTube, I'm going to show you an annoying problem with KDE. KDE Plasma is officially the buggiest desktop environment on Linux. However, it does sometimes look nice, and it does sometimes work. Unfortunately, I installed it on my system. So today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a common problem with KDE. So unless you have a state-of-the-art graphics driver, they implemented a feature, and they didn't tell anyone about this, and it's not documented anywhere. But whenever you have an old graphics card, it does this. Yay! Rather than adding a switch or anything to detect or, resolving the issue, you just have to work around it. So there's this file. It's .config/kde go-to. We're going to go to Qt Quick Render Settings, and we're going to change this here to OpenGL. I am actually on Plasma 6.1 because I figured maybe they would fix a bug in Plasma 6.1. Of course they didn't. Why would they do that? And one of the great things about running Arch Linux is whenever you update your system, it overwrites this file, so you have to redo this multiple times. Yay! Here we are. We're going to restart Plasma. And guess what? Our icons don't magically disappear for no reason. Isn't that great? If anyone watching this video is thinking about using KDE Plasma, stay away. You also have to mount a RAM disk. RAM? Yep. Oh. You also have to mount a RAM disk in your cache, because if you have a system and your IOs are high, like on my system, it'll just randomly freeze for no reason. This stops the random freezing because instead of using RAM to store temporary data, they decided, hey, let's store it on the drive. And even if you have an NVMe SSD, that can be a problem. In fact, it is a very annoying problem with my NVMe SSDs, because anytime I'm doing large IO file transfers or anything, my system freezes. So here's how you fix that. Fstab or whatever, add something like that into your fstab file. That magically fixes it. That's that. Bye.